Well, hello, guys. It's Patriot Gal with the Forging Freedom channel. And today we are going to make a simple double-sided grilled cheese sandwich. Now, the reason that we're going to do this today is that I'm starting a series on simple cooking. You know, a lot of people have not had the advantage of having a mom or a grandma or a dad to teach them how to do the simple cooking methods. And so I thought we'd start this series today. My grandson had texted me and wanted to know how to make a grilled cheese sandwich. He said he's having a hard time getting it to come out right. So the first thing that you want to do is, if you can, you want to have a nice cast iron pan. If you don't have one, you can use a regular frying pan. It's just that the cast iron heats a lot more evenly. You also want to have your ingredients ready. I've got two slices of bread here, some slices of Colby Jack cheese, and I've also got some butter. And so what you're going to do, you're going to heat your pan up, and you'll be able to put your hand there and just make sure that you can feel the heat. I've got it on medium low. So medium low is right smack dab between low and medium. And what we're going to do is we're just going to take a little slice of butter here and put it in the pan. And you can see it's just barely sizzling there. We're going to coat the pan really well. The reason you want to go on medium-low is because you've got to heat it enough that it will melt the cheese, but not too fast so that it burns the bread. So we're just going to put our bread down here. And we're going to put our cheese on. That's going to hang over a little bit and give us a nice melt. And then we're just going to put the top layer on. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put a lid on. That's going to trap that heat in there, and it's going to help the cheese to melt. So stand by and I'll get my lid. Okay, guys, we're back. Our lid's been on, and our grilled cheese has been grilling for about 4 minutes on medium low. So let's take a look and see how we're coming along. And you can see that the cheese is starting to melt right there. Let's take a look at what it looks like on that side. Oh, now that's just the perfect grill right there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take a little bit more butter, just the thinnest slice, about that much right there. Again, we're going to coat our pan. And we're going to lay the other side of the grilled cheese sandwich down. Put the lid on. And we'll check it in about 3 minutes. All right, guys, our grilled cheese sandwich has been grilling for about 3 minutes. On the other side, let's take a look and see how it looks. Perfectly grilled. Look at that. So here's the test. Let's cut it in half and see what it looks like inside. See if our cheese has melted all the way through. Can you hear that crunch? Look at that. It's melted all through the center there. So there you go. That's how you make the perfect grilled cheese sandwich. This is Patriot Gal signing off. And I just want to tell you guys to remember to go out today and do something to forge your freedom. Learn how to cook. We'll see you next time. And don't forget to check out our podcast at forgingfreedompodcast.com.
Hey guys, don't leave just yet. I've got a couple other videos for you to watch, and when you get done watching them, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the gold eagle badge right there on the screen. If you want to connect with the Forging Freedom Tribe, which is our Facebook group, there's a link in the show notes, so come on over and hang out with us. Thanks for watching our channel, and remember to go out today and do something to forge your freedom. See you soon.